First step, remove the belt. 14 on the tensioner. Boom. Next step, take the bolt out of the top of the alternator. Boom. And I'm going to remove idler 212, and I'm gonna just swing it around like that. I'm gonna swing it out of the way. See how I swing it like that? Now, I might take off the tensioner just to make some more room. We'll find out in a second. Alright, so I was gonna try to do it from the top, but I ain't feel like doing all that. So basically, you gotta get
come and get it up the line. Come and get it up the line. Yeah, yeah. Bring the racks to the shop. Bring the racks to the shop. Yeah.
12 right there.
Come and get it up the line. Come and get it up the line.
12 bolt right there.
Yeah, yeah. Do it right.
Another one.
Do it great. Foundation. Real estate.
On that side.
Made my path. Found my way.
Right behind the AC line.
Fade away. Hit life with a jab, now swollen face.
My camera.
Bring a record from my aunt, now y'all relate. Had to clear my home mind like namaste. Haters want me gone, tell them namaste.
Anyway, you can see it poked out a little bit behind that line. Right on that side. Another 12, you gotta take that out. Bolts out. Now we just gotta get it out. I think I'm gonna just bend this AC line right here. Try that. Take that 10 off the alternator and make sure you got the 10 off the battery. Negative side. Alright, now getting the alternator out. You see the position that it's in? You're gonna want it like that. And you're gonna want to lift it up and let the top side, this side over here, drop down and then pull it up. Just watch that hose. That's a vacuum line. And what I did was I bent this AC line. I took the 10 out right here. The 10 millimeter that went in this spot right here. Took the 10 out and I just pulled the line forward. Because it flexes, it's aluminum, it's gonna flex. Just don't pull it too hard or you might break it. But bend that out the way, pull the alternator up, it should come straight out. Remember the way that came out? That's the same way you gotta put it back in. Just like that. You gotta kind of rotate it and pull it up and it comes right out. So basically, gravity is your friend on this one. I just put the alternator in there, it just fell in there. So yeah, out, new ones in, put all your bolts in, put the 10 on, connect the connector, put the idler pulley back on, and put the belt on, connect the 10 on the battery, and that's it. Easy. 10 back, and then the 2 bolts in. Idler pulley. I already tightened the bolts on the bottom of the alternator, and I tightened the top bolt. That's all we got left. Put the 10 millimeter back on. The belt is on. We ready to roll out this joint. Easy. Street sauce.